Freaking cat fight's about to happen. Oreo, what are you doing? Right over there, that's my cat Oreo. Oh, hey, buddy. Yo, who's that other cat that was messing with? Oh, I see the problem. You see that cat over there? It's trying to mess with Oreo. Look at this. I think they're gonna fight. And he's just walking right behind him. He's not even doing anything that much. Oh, there's a car passing by. Hey. Oh shit. Oreo. Oreo, what's up, man? Damn it, it's not focus. This cat's about to fight another one. Oh, you live there? Oh, sorry. Oreo. What are you doing? Anyways, there's a cat right there. Oh, shit, scared him off. That other cat's trying to fight Oreo. Oh, look at this. Oh, there he is over there. Hey, come back, bastard. I wonder what World Star Hip Hop will be like, but instead of people, it's animals. Oh, shit. Oris is over there, just like, what just happened? You can't see him, but he's right in the front of the car in this house. And the other cat is right over there. You see those two pair of glowing eyes? That's the other cat right there. Yeah, they were gonna fight or something. Actually, no, they were fighting, but I didn't manage to catch it on camera. They were just going all crazy on my neighbor's house, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna stop right here. So yeah, bye guys.